Good afternoon. Today is Coloring Party with Friends, Coloring Party on Monday. I'm a little late today, but I will come and show you what I have for this Coloring Monday. My first coloring are from Black Women Fashion Coloring Book. And this one I purchased from Amazon. And I have shown you some pictures out of it before. So here's what I have for today. I have her dressed in the Halloween colors of orange and black. I think it came out pretty good. She even has orange lipstick. My other one is a gown. This one would be from that same coloring book. And I really like this coloring book. As I said, I purchased it from Amazon. Okay, now I have a surprise for you. What I have next, I know it's early, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. I have a couple of Christmas pictures. And as you can see, I have a little elf lady there. And she's decorating the tree. The other one shows two little elves. And it says, Merry Vibes Only. And as I said, I know it's early, but I had to do it. And they come from a coloring book that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. And it's Coloring and Activity Book, Merry and Bright. And it has a lot of the elf on the shelves in it. And I paid $1.25 for it. I like to thank Grandma Sandy for inviting me to be a part of her Coloring Monday this Monday. And I also want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Coloring Party Monday. And if you're not a part of that design family, I would ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. I will be leaving Grandma Sandy's information in my description box, so make sure you go over and check out her colorings and all of the friends on this Coloring Monday. This is Emma, and I will be seeing you in my next video.